Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alyssa.
I'm Garrett.
And we are the Leffersons, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 13!
Woo!
Woohoo!
Lucky number 13.
Today we have a Disney Wishables Unbagging!
So if you don't know what these are blind bag plushies. They have a couple different series. We did a Winnie the Pooh one, which we'll link up above.
Yes.
But this is the Christmas version. So the options that you can get is the Santa Mickey, a reindeer, a snowman, and a gingerbread man.
We have already opened one of these in our most amazing Bibbidi Bobbidi box that we opened ever. I will leave that video linked up above too and down below. That was like the best birthday box ever, but they actually gave us one of these blind bags and we did actually get one of the gingerbread. So obviously we're hoping to complete it so that we can put them in our background for the rest of Vlogmas, but we'll see.
You wanna go first?
Yes, I will go first. Okay, hoping for any of the ones we do not have.
And good.
Yay!
Starting off strong.
Oh, I'm so happy. He's adorable. We have
his little...
Santa Mickey. I love his little wink. I love that they are all blushing. These Wishables are blushing. It's so cute. And the detail on him, like even his hat is like to the side on purpose. And his little belt on the front. Oh, he is just so cute. Yay! Perfect.
All right, we have four of these bags to open. So this is bag number dos.
Snowman or reindeer? Snowman or reindeer?
We got Mickey.
Oh no, another Mickey!
So that means that we need to get snowman or reindeer.
Snowman or reindeer.
And the next two.
And the next two.
And he's still adorable and soft and squishy.
I love how soft they are. They're so soft. Okay.
You're trying to feel it up.
They're all like the same shape.
Yeah.
They're all just like round and, yay! All right, we got the snowman. Oh, I just love how soft these feel.
He's super cute.
He is so cute. Oh, his
nose
is a little crooked, but his nose actually pops out like that.
He's been living
adorable.
in a bag.
And his scarf, even his scarf is soft. His little black hat. Oh, he's so cute.
There must have been some magic in that.
We need the reindeer. One more. Reindeer.
I don't think it is.
It's not the reindeer. It's another snowman.
I was hoping for the reindeer.
Oh man. All right, so here's what we have all together. So this is what we have. We have 2 Mickeys and we have 2 snowmen and we have 1 gingerbread. If anyone has the reindeer out there and would like to trade, I know that there is a trading group on Facebook for these and we do have some Winnie the Pooh ones to still trade, so I do need to post on there, but oh well.
We're focused on Vlogmas right now.
We are focused on Vlogmas.
January will be our trading month.
Yes. I'm planning to do so many pin trades and so many everything trades in January when everything calms down. So, but yay, they're just so cute and festive and they're just like super extra like we are right now.
They're so soft. I love how soft they are.
They're like, you want to cuddle with them, but they're also like so small. They can just cuddle with your hands. I don't know.
And on that note.
All right, it is now time. We'll have to put these guys to the side. We'll have to put them in our background somewhere. I don't know.
All 16,000 of them?
Well, I don't know. We'll
figure it out.
Maybe we'll put the extra ones in our background for now too. All right, it is time to open pin 13.
Is it in the tree?
Well, I don't know. Let me see. Pin 13. It is not in the tree.
Got it.
All right.
So we got our pins for our advent calendar from none other than Magic Launch Bay.
Yes.
As the pins fly around.
The box is getting emptier and emptier. It's kind of sad. But we still have a lot. We still have a lot to open. So Magic Launch Bay is an amazing pin service. They send you pins from like Hong Kong and all the other international parks, which we can't get. And they've also, so we've gotten so many amazing pins so far.
We've got like rare pins.
Rare pins, so many limited editions. We have gotten some pins from our parks.
Yeah, the other day.
The other day we got a pin from like when MGM Studios was still
2002.
there, and it was limited edition of 800. So that's like amazing.
That's crazy.
We'll leave all the videos linked down below, but let's open this one up and see what it is.
That is cute.
We have Stitch, and this is from Disneyland Paris.
Yes.
Awesome. We have a lot of friends who love Stitch. I actually really love the backer card.
Yeah.
It's really cute. It says Joyous Noel, maybe? Joyeux.
I don't know French.
Joyeux Noel?
No, that's not French. It's French. It's Joyeux Noel.
Joyeux Noel. No one knows. But there he is. He is Stitch. He's wearing his little Santa hat, and he looks like he's like rolling on the floor laughing. We'll take him off the backer card. And it does say Disneyland Paris on the bottom of the backer card. So on the back, it is an open edition from 2018. We'll show it to you again.
It's
in the
super
front.
cute, though.
He is super cute. He looks so happy. And yeah, he looks like he's like rolling on the floor laughing from like someone telling him a really funny joke. On the back, it says Disneyland Paris.
It's so shiny.
It is super shiny. And yeah, this is cute.
It's a good one.
It's just not a limited edition or anything, just an open edition, but it's really cute. And we do have a lot of Stitch fans out there, so I'm sure we will either trade with a friend or we'll add it to our Christmas pin board for now.
And it's from France.
Yeah.
So like,
So that's awesome.
come on. We're like, oh, it's not an LE, but it's from France.
It is, it is. And Stitch is like a very popular character, so that will be great to trade with.
I'm okay with it.
Yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching our Wishables unbagging. This is a pretty short video for you guys, so I hope that you enjoyed. And if you enjoyed it, give it that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think about the Wishables. Let us know what your favorite one was. Subscribe to our channel for more Disney content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell icon so you don't miss another video. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.
See you later.